what's going on, my sexy YouTubers? So today I'm gonna be shooting some videos using my drone, okay? And then the video that I'll be shooting today is gonna be merging into be part of the intro for the channel. So if you see something that you like or you don't like, if there's any comments, any help that you can give me, whatever the case may be, let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel because the channel is gonna get epic, guys, this year. So again, if you have any comments, let me know in the comments below, okay? Take care. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here in front of the sun and some power lines, and this little car is going by. Those power lines are making a crazy amount of noise, guys. I believe it's the power going by or through whatever. I don't want to be here too long, but we have the Mavic 2 Air Zoom or the Mavic 2 Pro Zoom, the Mavic 2 Pro Zoom, and we have the Corvette, guys. So today I'm gonna start shooting a little bit of a video for the intro of the channel. Hopefully you guys like it, and like I promised to you guys, the channel will be any comments,